Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, the Jamaica Cricket Association and two of its affiliates are heading to court to sort out the disagreement over the format of the island's top two-day competition, the Senior Cup. The matter is set to be called up at the Supreme Court on July 25, according to a letter sent to both Kensington and St. Thomas from their attorneys. The letter, a copy of which has been obtained by TVJ Sports, indicates that the JCA, through CEO Courtney Francis, was today served notice of the court date. President of the St. Thomas Cricket Association, Dennis Gordon, confirmed that the matter is before the Supreme Court. The fallout between the two clubs and the JCA arose after the JCA announced a new 6-team franchise competition to follow the current two-day tournament, but both Kensington and St. Thomas want the JCA to honour the members' decision from January 2016 to run the Senior Cup as a two-tiered competition instead of the 23-team tournament that currently exists. The situation became more complicated as it was revealed that some Jamaica Scorpions contracted players might find themselves in problems should they not take part in the local competition.